Many people think snoring is just a sleep problem, but doctors warn, persistent snoring can actually be a silent alarm from your heart. Studies show that heavy snoring increases the risk of high blood pressure, heart attacks, atrial fibrillation, and even sudden death during sleep. When you snore, your oxygen level drops, your heart struggles, and over time, this silent stress damages your cardiovascular system. If you or your loved ones snore loudly, don't ignore it. Seek medical advice, get checked early, and protect your heart before it's too late. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and share. Together, we can raise awareness and save lives.